one. Actually, change. Okay, look, if I let go of it, just rub it like this.
Right before my eyes. Ow!
Dude, oh my gosh, are you alright?
Ow!
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic. I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 3 easy magic tricks that you can do at home.
Let's do all the things that you want to do.
So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button and let's go. This first one is a cool party trick that you can do at a moment's notice. Check it out. All right, V, I have a neat trick to show you with this bottle of wine. I have a lighter.
This is cool.
Yes. Let's show you a cool way to open this bottle of wine with just a lighter. Watch.
Should I scoot back?
No.
You're
fine. All you have to do is take it like this.
Is going. That is insane. Wow, that's crazy.
Wait for it.
Oh, so it has all to do with this heat. Oh my, look at that.
Here it goes.
I did not expect it to blow. Wow. So
Cheers.
whenever you're without a corkscrew and you have tall ceilings, you can use this. Man.
Should say be careful of what's above you. Make sure there's not like a chandelier or anything. Okay, here's the simple secret of this cool party trick. Okay, the setup to this trick is extremely simple. All you need is a bottle of wine. Your first step when you get the wine bottle, there might be a wrap on the outside. Just need to peel that off. So now that you have the wrapper removed, you're good to go. You're also going to need a lighter, and you want to make sure you get a bottle of wine that has a cork in the top. Very important. Not one with a screw-on lid like this. The trick will not work if you use this type of wine bottle. So this is really easy to do. All you have to do is light the lighter and hold it on the neck of the bottle. The heat of the flame will make the air inside the glass bottle heat up and expand, forcing the cork up and out of the bottle, opening the wine in a super magical way. And just like that, you can open your bottle of wine. Now you need to let it cool down before you pour a glass, because obviously this part of the glass is going to be very hot and it'll ruin the wine if you pour it right now. So let that cool down for a bit, then pour your wine. And that is how you magically open a bottle of wine with a lighter. This one is an amazing card trick that you can do right now. Take a look. Okay, card trick time. So I have an ace of diamonds and a queen of spades right here.
Yeah.
So watch the queen of spades. All I have to do, empty hand, right?
Yeah.
Watch, all I have to do is just rub it like this. And it looks like it changes into the ace of hearts.
Right before my eyes. Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, I'd love to see how that works.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. All you need for this one is a standard deck of cards and some scissors. So you're only going to need a few choice cards from the deck. You're going to need a pair of cards and one card that is different. I like to use the 2 red aces and the black queen of spades. Here's your prep for the trick. You're going to cut the queen of spades right at this angle right here. That's where the pair of scissors comes in. Cut it just like that. Now you can take the rest of this card and toss it aside. You won't need it. This is how we make it look like the one ace just magically changes. The piece of the queen goes on top. The other ace goes right on top of that to hide the cut. So down here on this other end where the ace is peeking out, your thumb is going to cover that just like so. So now this really looks like you have a queen and an ace in your hand. Not a bad hand of poker, but a pair of aces would be a lot better. So now all you're going to do is kind of tilt the hand back and let gravity do the work for you. So that when you rub and just push this down, all you have to do is kind of pull this card up and the piece will naturally slide down in between the 2 cards. You don't want it to go too far and peek out at the bottom here though. Just enough that it slides between the 2 aces. So you're holding it here, the thumb is going to come over and provide cover as you slide the queen down and just tilt up like that. It's going to look like the queen just magically changed into the ace of hearts. To ditch the piece on the back, you can then grip it against the back of this ace, switch positions, and palm it off in your hand, giving you the best hand in poker every time. It's a super easy card trick that you can do at home right now. And that is how you do the magic pair of aces trick. Here's a fun trick with something you probably already have at home. Do you want a drink?
No.
No?
No, it's way too early.
Too early?
A beer? No.
Too early for a beer? Okay, watch. I'm going to try something with it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Actually, change.
Ow!
What did you do? My gosh, are you alright?
Ow! Did that just happen? Seriously? I got so surprised.
I think maybe you've had a few too many already.
No. No. Oh my.
Do you want a Coke instead? Yeah. 1. Change. the simple setup behind this amazing trick. Okay, here's what you need to pull off this trick. First thing you're going to need are 2 separate cans. You want them to contrast as much as possible. So in this case, we're going to use blue and red. The other thing you're going to need is a utility knife. If you're a child, you're going to need an adult's help with this. So whatever you want the can to start out as is the one you're going to cut. In this case, I want it to start out as a can of beer. So we're going to cut the beer can in half. We're going to take our utility knife and be very careful and make a cut right down the side. And you want to go to the opposite side of the can and cut on the other side as well. Straight down the side. And you're going to cut down just a little bit onto the bottom of the can, as far as you can to this ridge right here. You're not going to be able to cut through this ridge. So just cut it as far down as you can until you stop at that ridge. Now you're going to cut right along that ridge right there. Now that you have the bottom cut out, you're going to go right along this top edge. You're going to try to get as close to the lip on top as you possibly can. So now that the piece is cut out, you're going to fit it around the outside of the other can. You're then going to take a piece of tape and run it down this seam to cover the jagged edge that could cut you. This will also help to hold the piece of can in place for when you do the transformation. You don't have to worry about the audience seeing the tape on either side because your hands will cover it. So once you have the can prepped, on one side you'll have your regular Coke can or whatever can you're going to have it change into, and on the other side you'll have your blue can, your beer can, whatever you want to start with. So on this side you're going to show it like this, use your hands to cover the sides, cover the tape up like that, and then you're simply going to twist. You're going to roll it in your hands. Move these hands back and forth and the can will rotate. You're just going to do that quickly. It's going to look like the can just magically changes. Take the can of beer and magically change it into a Coke. One, actually change. And that is the secret behind the magic changing soda can. Alright guys, that is it. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Every time you hit the thumbs up, a dog learns to speak. Magic is real, anything is possible. Introducing the first ever EvanEraTV.com Laugh at Life St. Patrick's Day sale. Take 20% off your entire order of Laugh at Life gear. That's sunglasses, shirts, hoodies, beanies, sport bags, bracelets, balloons, and pop sockets. You can take 20% off of all Laugh at Life gear. That's 20% off all the Laugh at Life gear on the shop. Use code LUCKY at checkout to save 20% off your entire order of Laugh at Life stuff. Link for that is in the description of the video. That is www.EvanEraTV.com. Go use the promo code LUCKY at checkout to save 20% off your order and get some new gear for the new year. This sale runs through St. Patrick's Day, so order now if you want to get some green Laugh at Life stuff for St. Patty's Day so that you don't get pinched. Also, we have some brand new designs for the Laugh at Life shop coming soon. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I am giving away our new super limited edition see-through blindfolds. I can actually see right now. I'm giving away 3 of these to 3 lucky comments in the comment section down below. If you don't know what the see-through blindfold is, it is a super technical magical device. It is a blindfold that you can see through. I want to get too scientific here. We have a super limited number of these in the shop, but I'm going to give away 3 of them to 3 lucky comments. So all you have to do is hit the thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and be subscribed to Evan Era TV. Alright guys, it's time to announce the giveaway winners from the last How To Magic video. Our winners are these names right here. Send me a private message on YouTube with your full mailing address to claim your prize. Congratulations to the giveaway winners, and thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway drawing. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. Check out the shop right over here. That's our magic shop. We have a lot of cool magic tricks for sale and Laugh at Life merch. Also, my vlog channel is right down there. It's my second channel on YouTube. Subscribe there as well, and until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.